Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best Mini ITX PC cases on the market. If you're looking to build a compact, high-performance rig that packs a punch without taking up too much space, then you're in the right place. We've carefully selected these Mini ITX cases for their design, airflow, and versatility, so you can find the perfect one to fit your build. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves sleek, powerful setups, we've got you covered with these top choices. So, get ready to discover the best Mini ITX cases that will elevate your build to the next level. So check the link in the description below. Number 5. KXRORS S300 is an outstanding Mini ITX PC gaming case that blends sleek design with high functionality, making it a top contender for the best Mini ITX PC case. The case boasts a compact and portable size, measuring 12.2 by 5.3 by 7.6 inches, and features an 8.1L capacity, making it ideal for small form-factor gaming setups or for users who require a portable, space-saving solution. The front I/O panel includes a USB 3.0 Type-C port, offering modern connectivity options for faster data transfer and convenient charging. The KXRORS S300 is crafted from high-quality pure aluminum wire drawing material, giving it a premium, durable finish while also ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Additionally, the small leather handle on the top enhances its portability, making it easy to carry. This case is designed with mesh panels on 3 sides, effectively improving airflow by allowing hot and cold air to exchange freely, ensuring your system stays cool under pressure. It supports SFX and SFXL power supplies ranging from 100 to 130 mm, and it can accommodate a CPU fan with a height limit of 60 mm, ensuring ample compatibility for a wide variety of builds. The case supports a 170 mm x 170 mm standard ITX motherboard, making it versatile for various motherboard configurations. One of its standout features is its support for graphics cards up to 305 mm in length, with a height of 55 mm and width of 130 mm, making it compatible with many high-performance GPUs. The KXRORS S300 is equipped with a premium PCIe 3.0 16x riser cable, ensuring optimal performance when using powerful graphics cards. To ensure smooth operation, the case requires users to set the PCIe speed of the motherboard BIOS to Gen 3 for using the 3.0 graphics card extension line. With its combination of aesthetics, portability, and performance-enhancing features, the KXRORS S300 is an excellent choice for those seeking a premium Mini ITX gaming case. Number 4. Segotep Mini ITX PC gaming computer case is a standout option for those seeking the best Mini ITX PC case. With its striking double-curved tempered glass side panels, this case provides an impressive IMAX-like, borderless field of view that allows you to showcase your graphics card from 3 sides, making it a perfect aesthetic centerpiece for gaming setups. Designed specifically for Mini ITX graphics cards, this case supports a maximum GPU length of 200 mm, which makes it compact yet efficient for high-performance builds. The case is compatible with Mini ITX motherboards and SFX power supply units, ensuring you can build a powerful gaming rig within a compact form factor. For enhanced cooling, the SLA Mini incorporates a high-efficiency cooling design, featuring 2 120 mm reverse cooling fans installed at the bottom of the case, optimizing airflow for your components. The rear of the case also supports 240 mm water cooling, providing excellent thermal management for even the most demanding setups. Additionally, there are dedicated cooling holes for the power supply, ensuring that each component is kept at optimal temperatures. One of the standout features of the Segotep SLA Mini is its impressive cable management system. Cables can be discreetly routed and hidden in the top section of the case, contributing to a sleek and clutter-free interior. The case also includes a magnetic, washable dustproof net, making it easy to maintain a clean system and protect your components from dust and debris. Its unique vertical GPU mounting design further elevates its premium look, allowing you to make the most of your compact gaming build without sacrificing performance or style. Ideal for small form factor enthusiasts, the Segotep SLA Mini balances aesthetics, functionality, and cooling efficiency, making it one of the best Mini ITX PC cases available. Number 3. Thermaltake Tower 100 Black Edition excels in every aspect of Mini ITX chassis design, crafted with both aesthetics and practicality in mind. This compact case is the perfect blend of elegance and performance, featuring 3-4 mm thick tempered glass window panels that surround the front, left, and right sides, providing a clear and protective view of your system's internal components. The Tower 100's standout feature is its panoramic visibility, allowing users to showcase their meticulously built PCs, while the tempered glass ensures strength, durability, and scratch resistance, maintaining the pristine look of the case over time. Additionally, the case boasts a highly functional I/O panel with a Type-C, USB 3.1 Gen 2 port for ultra-fast data transfer, along with two USB 3.0 ports for a wide range of connectivity options, ensuring that your peripherals and devices are always easily accessible. Inside the Tower 100, the innovative layout supports up to two 3.5-inch HDDs or four 2.5 SSDs, with two SSD brackets mounted on the right side, providing ample space for versatile storage solutions. This makes it an excellent choice for users who demand both performance and flexibility, such as gamers, content creators, and even professionals who rely on high-speed storage for intensive applications. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tower 100 is its dedication to cleanliness and airflow management, featuring 8 strategically placed dust filters. These filters are superfine and located on the right, left, top, and bottom, acting as a barrier to keep dirt and dust from infiltrating the case and damaging sensitive components. The filters are also easily removable, allowing for quick cleaning and maintenance, keeping your system running smoothly for years to come. With its unique design, ample storage options, robust dust protection, and premium build quality, the Thermaltake Tower 100 Black Edition is the ultimate choice for those seeking the best Mini ITX PC case, offering top-tier performance in a compact and stylish package. Number 2. Thermaltake Core V1 SPCC Mini ITX Cube Gaming Computer Case Chassis is an exceptional choice for those looking for the best Mini ITX PC case. Designed to support Mini ITX motherboards, this compact case is built for high-end system compatibility, offering incredible expansion options despite its small form factor. The case features a sleek, black edition exterior with interchangeable side panels, allowing users to customize and personalize their builds. The adjustable I/O panel location ensures flexibility in design, while the case's dual modular drive rack design allows for easy installation of up to 4 data storage devices. The Core V1 boasts impressive cooling capabilities with a pre-installed 200mm fan at the front, and options for 2 additional 80mm turbo fans for enhanced airflow. Whether you prefer air or liquid cooling configurations, this case supports both, making it an ideal choice for those seeking versatility in cooling options. Additionally, the chamber's concept separates the heat-generating components from the rest of the system, ensuring optimal ventilation and cooling. Despite its compact size, the case provides ample room for a dual expansion slot VGA card with a length of up to 260mm, and a Tower CPU cooler with a height of up to 140mm. The case also accommodates a high wattage power supply unit, PSU, with a length of up to 180mm, allowing users to build powerful systems without being constrained by the case's dimensions. The Core V1 also includes 2 front USB 3.0 ports, along with headphone and microphone jacks, providing quick and easy access to essential connectivity. Thermaltake's attention to detail in the design of the Core V1 ensures that users can build a compact yet powerful gaming system that doesn't compromise on performance or style, making it an ideal choice for the best Mini ITX PC case. Number 1. Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L Micro ATX Tower is an exceptional choice for the best Mini ITX PC case, providing a perfect balance of design and functionality. The case features magnetic dust filters with a unique pattern that not only protect your components but also add a distinctive flair to the overall look of your build. It offers generous components clearance, accommodating CPU coolers with a maximum height of 159mm, graphics cards up to 360mm in length, and power supply units up to 160mm in length, ensuring compatibility with high-performance hardware. The versatility in cooling is unmatched as the case can support up to 5 fans and a 240mm liquid cooler, making it an excellent option for gamers and enthusiasts looking to optimize thermal performance. The modular I/O panel adds a layer of customization, allowing you to position it at the front, top, or bottom on either side, offering more flexibility based on your desk setup and personal preference. The edge-to-edge transparent acrylic side panel is another striking feature, allowing you to showcase your build with pride and giving you a window to admire the intricate details of your system. Furthermore, the open thermal design with perforations on all sides ensures superior airflow, helping to keep your components cool during intensive tasks or gaming sessions. Inside, there is ample space for Micro ATX or Mini ITX motherboards, making it ideal for those who want a compact yet spacious build with room for future upgrades. This case is crafted for builders who value performance, customization, and a clean aesthetic, offering ample interior room while maintaining a compact footprint. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a high-performance workstation, the Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L delivers on both looks and practicality, making it one of the top contenders in the Mini ITX PC case category. In conclusion, finding the best Mini ITX PC case is essential for a compact yet powerful build. Whether you're looking for something stylish, functional, or with specific cooling features, there's a great option out there for you. We've covered some top choices that cater to various needs and preferences. Remember, a well-chosen case can make a big difference in your build's performance and aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos. If you have any questions or need further recommendations, drop them in the comments below.